my dear friends. My name is Kundan Kumar Singh and today I am going to deliver a beautiful lecture on mathematics dealing with the topic number system. In this we have the subheading that is rounding of a number. In this we are going to see this topic. What is that? Rounding of a number up to nearest tens. So in order to understand this heading, rounding of a number up to nearest tens, you have to deal with some real life example. So that real life example, this is example. It is something like this. Here is one shopkeeper and he is having one shop. In this shop there is lots of items available for sale. And on the other side you have one customer who is in the need of item from this shop. So this customer will try to approach to the shop and will ask for an item from the shopkeeper. So that item is nothing but Maggi, and the price of that Maggi is rupees 67 over here. That is cost price of this Maggi is rupees 67, which will be provided from the side of shopkeeper to the customer. So now you might say, sir, where is 67 the cost price? The Maggi packet is not. You are telling that the price of the Maggi packet is rupees 67. Don't take it seriously. This is just for the sake of understanding. I have taken that the cost price of the Maggi packet is rupees 67. So the condition is something like this. Will the shopkeeper get the amount which is written over here, that is 67? You already know in market there is no exchange available at all. 3 rupees, 2 rupees coins are not available that much in ample amount, adequate amount. So will this customer give this rupees 67? No, he will deny to give rupees 67 because he don't have extra 7 rupees. He might have 60 rupees but he don't have 7 rupees to pay extra for this Maggi packet. So will this shopkeeper leave this 7 rupees for this customer? No. If the shopkeeper tries to leave 7 rupees, then the cost price will go lower, that is rupees 60. If the shopkeeper loses 7 rupees, then the cost price will come down, that is rupees 60, which is again a loss point from the side of shopkeeper. So he will deny to give this Maggi packet with the cost price rupees 60. So how this customer will negotiate with the shopkeeper in order to purchase this item Maggi? This is the question. So the question we have seen over here, but what will be the answer and what will be the solution, which will be discussed only after this rounding of a number up to nearest tens. Here you have some rules. That rules, once you are familiar with that rule, you will be able to find out how much amount you will be going to pay to the shopkeeper so that you will purchase this item Maggi for you. So I am erasing this and discussing first of all the rule. Alright guys, in order to understand this rounding of a number up to nearest tens, you have to take one example along with the rule. The rule is something like this. If unit digit less than 5. So this is the example. In this example, here the unit digit is 6, which is violating this rule because unit digit is 6. 6 less than 5, which is false. So we will go for the second rule, which is telling if unit digit equal to 5. Is it equal to 5? No. Or is there. So we will see. Greater than 5. Yes, this 6 is greater than 5. That means this condition is true. So what is written over here? Then increase tens digit by plus 1. So we know that this is unit digit, this is tens, and this is 100 digit. Unit digit, here it is telling if the condition is satisfied. if the condition is satisfied here greater than 5, yes, this 6 is greater than 5, that means this condition is true. So we will go here in the second line, which is telling increase 10th digit by plus 1. Here the 10th digit is 7, so it will be increased by plus 1. That means we will increase this 7, it will become 8, and this will remain as it is. But what about the unit digit? Replace the unit digit by 0. So this unit digit will be replaced by 0. So this is the rounded off number for the given number, that is 676. Here 676 has been rounded off to the nearest tens. So remember one point, when you are looking for rounding of a number up to the nearest tens, the unit digit has to be 0 at every instant of time. If it is 0, then we can say that this number, what we have obtained by these rules, following this rule, this is the rounded off number up to the nearest tens. So we will take another example. I am erasing this. This is one number and I want to make the nearest tens. I want to make this number rounded up to the nearest tens. So how can I do? I will see this rule. If the unit digit, first of all I have to write over here on the top of it, you have to write this is unit digit, this is tens and this is 100. Okay. If the unit digit, here unit digit is 9, which is less than 5, is it true? No. So this condition will fail. This 9 is not less than 5. That means this condition is violated. So we will move to the second rule where it says if the unit digit, this unit digit equal to 5 or, yes, it is not equal to 5. So or greater than 5. Yes, it is greater than 5. This 9 is greater than 5. Of course, that's why this condition will get true, and then you have to see this one. Increase tens digit by plus 1. Here tens digit is 8, so we will increase by plus 1. It will get as 9. 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9. And this 7 will reflect over here, and this 9, what we have to do? Replace the unit digit equal to 0. So this 9 will be replaced by 0. So the rounded off value for this 789 is nothing but 790. Okay, this is the rounded off value for the given number, that is 789. I hope we are clear with this example. Now we will take some more examples for our sake of understanding. I am erasing this here. For suppose I am taking 684. So this is one given number. First and foremost, what you have to do, you have to name them. This is the unit, this is the tens, and this is the 100. Okay. After naming, you have to read this rule. Here, unit digit less than 5. Here, unit digit is 4, which is less than 5. That means true. This condition is true. If the condition is true, what we have to do? Replace unit digit with 0. So this unit digit will be replaced by 0 and rest of the number will remain as it is, that is 680. So this is the rounded off value for this given number 684. What is that? 680. If the unit digit is less than 5, then you have to replace this unit digit with 0 and remaining numbers will reflect as it is. So this is all about rounding of a number where we have seen the nearest tens. In the later classes, we will see nearest 100, nearest 1000. Okay. Alright guys, if you find any difficulty regarding this rule, you can comment down below in the comment section. I will definitely answer all your related doubts and queries. So please like, comment, share and subscribe as well.